Welcome to Farm Mortgage Capital. Thanks for stopping by. Just to give you a brief intro to our company, we'd like to share a few stories of how we came about. After 30 plus years in the commercial bank business, one of the managing members, Norman L. Peterson, sold his controlling interest in banks in Nebraska, Iowa, and Colorado. Now, his intent was to play some golf, travel a bit, and do what most everyone his age would do. However, due to a tragedy in the family, he and his wife moved to Overland Park, Kansas. His son-in-law had been tragically killed in a car accident when a deer jumped out in front of the car and came through the windshield, hitting his son-in-law in the face and killing him instantly. He had a 6-year-old son riding in the back seat that was not seriously injured, but he had a 2-week-old baby at home with her mother. Due to this, Norm and his wife moved to Overland Park, Kansas, a suburb of Kansas City, to help their daughter raise the 2 kids. Now, during this time, Norm started looking for something to fulfill his time, something that he enjoyed, but also something he was really good at. This is when Norm met Sean McCaffrey, an owner of a reputable residential mortgage company. Together, they decided to specialize in farm loans, ranch loans, hobby farm loans, horse farm loans, and other loan solutions that looked and smelled like a farm. Now, this was over 10 years ago, and since then, the business has grown substantially. Currently, Farm Mortgage Capital likes to look at all the loan possibilities that Fannie and Freddie will not underwrite. For example, our company likes to work with loans for properties with over 10 acres and with some type of agricultural production. If the property is under 5 acres, proof needs to be provided that the property has previously generated over $5,000 in agricultural income. We can help companies in situations like this with a minimum loan amount of $300,000 and a maximum, at this point, of $50 million. However, we will always provide the best solutions depending on your specific needs and situation. Every loan our company has ever done has been successfully executed without ever meeting the borrower personally, which is quite common these days. It usually takes about 3 weeks for our company to close a loan from first introduction and application up until closing. The loans are closed at a title company nearest to our borrower's residence. Paperwork and funds are always delivered to the title company as they collect proper signatures and dispense the funding. Over the years, Farm Mortgage Capital has developed a short and hassle-free method of providing real estate loans to borrowers who may not qualify for a conventional home loan. We also fund large farms, ranches, horse farms, vineyards, permanent plantings, and any other kind of agricultural enterprises. Sean and Norm have worked together for several years now, and they, as well as all of us here at Farm Mortgage Capital, look forward to helping you with your agricultural needs. We're always more than happy to communicate on the phone with our borrowers and speak with brokers who have loans they need placed. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or fill out a contact form on our site. We look forward to speaking with you soon.